Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Colombia e-visa step by step. This is helpful because you can follow along even without seeing the screen, and the official site usually starts in Spanish. So first go to Google and search for the official Colombia e-visa website. Open the link, then click translate to English and accept the terms and condition. And then enter your passport details. These are passport number, date of issue, expiry date, issuing authority, your name as on the passport, date of birth, and country of birth. So scroll down, click consult to transfer, and then continue. Next, choose tourism and individual. Apply as a foreigner and select applied by applicant. So only choose agency if you're using one. Fill out the education and occupation sections, then your home country details. If your city doesn't show up, type it the way the system accepts it, like the example, like Royal Pendi. Hit search and select it. After that, enter your Colombia state details using your hotel reservation. Search and select the city. Paste the full hotel address and the hotel contact number, and make sure your travel dates match your bookings. For example, June 1 to June 10, 2025. Choose that the applicant will cover expenses. Add social media only if you want. Enter your email and then continue. So in the visa section, add your employment info. Answer the yes or no questions and confirm if you're applying from outside Colombia. Then upload the required documents using the plus button and check for tick marks. Photo, passport, itinerary, reservation, identity, bank statement, insurance, ticket reservation, and passport travel list. So review everything carefully. You have 30 minutes to do so. Select your nearest consular post. So for example, Abu Dhabi. Save it, then go to payment and pay either at the consulate or by card using your applicant number and email. You'll receive a confirmation email after submission. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and drop any questions in the comments.